What is customer centricity? In our terms, it is basically holistic customer satisfaction that builds the brand over a period of time. So from where should we start to work upon customer centricity? As per our understanding, it starts with quality products, also quality services. It does not end at customers, rather it is linked with your vendors, internal team, and prospective buyers apart from the existing customer base. Today, in the complex world where competition is increasing day by day, organizations have to be always on the front end to ensure all the actionable plans should help in improving customer centricity. It requires the right processes to manage every operational actionable of the customer acquisition process. It is mostly based on the mental equilibrium of the leadership of the company. They must have a deep understanding of customer centricity. Simply talking about but not building it will always lead to scratching of heads. So plan better every actionable considering customer at the center. All the best.